I am planting some small figs. Should I prune figs when they are planted? If so, how? And this is from Tess via YouTube. So he's planting some small figs. He wants to know, should he prune those, Mr. Tom, once he plants them?
I don't.
Oh, you don't?
I don't. What I do, if I do any pruning, you like to have an open center in the figs, and I'll cut out some of the fig branches or shoots, whatever, growing in the middle, so we get a lot of more air in there. Also, I'll prune ones that are crossing and rubbing against each other.
Right.
But as just pruning for the sake of cutting it back and pruning, no, I don't do that. And of course, like most trees, including figs, it's always best to plant them in the fall, so the roots can develop over the winter time, so that they can take the heat better.
All right. Walter, anything to add to that?
Oh, sure. I know the UT publication said that at planting, you can, cut them back at planting, but pretty much, like he said.
Okay. I guess when you cut them back, just kind of.
Yeah, kind of recharge them.
Yeah, recharge the plant. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.